How to link Google Docs to Google Sheet, or how you can link Google Sheet to Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the simple way that you can use and you can link between the Google Docs and Google Sheet. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are and I have some sample data here. Okay, so if I want to link this table or data to Google Docs, I need to just simply just select that table or data, right click on it and copy it. Okay, and come to the Google Docs. Okay, and here I already paste that. You need to just right click on and paste it, then you will see the pop-up table, and you need to choose the first option, which is link to spreadsheet, and the paste it. Then the data will be pasted like this. Okay, so now when you update anything here, if I update here, okay, so you need to just come to Google Docs, but still you can see there is no update happen. So what you need to do, just click on that table, just okay, and okay, just click on that table, then this option will be visible. Now you need to just refresh that or update that, then it will be updated like this. Okay, so now if you want to add or link the Google Docs in Google Sheet, you simply type that at the rate, then your all files will be visible like this. You can go here and find out the file. This file should be created in your Google Docs or Google Drive. Okay, and select that file, then this file will be linked like this. If you don't find any file here, your if you don't find your file here, then you need to just simply go in Google Docs or Google Drive. Okay, find that file, open it, and you need to go share and just copy that link, come to the Google Sheet, and here simply paste it. After paste, you see this tab, just click on this, then file will be extract like this. The file name will be visible here, and someone if click on it, then file will be visible like this, and it will be, if click on it, the file will be open in new tab. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.